Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a golden milk update. Now, if you don't know what golden milk is, it's a combination of warm milk, turmeric, ginger, pepper, liquid coconut oil, and honey. And it's extremely good for inflammation and the brain in general. Now, what I'm using it for is inflammation in my prefrontal cortex, which is an unfortunate side effect from being put on a medication against my will. Obviously, it was the wrong medication because it caused inflammation in my prefrontal cortex, which led to anhedonia and emotional blunting. And unfortunately, this is not the first time this has happened either. It's actually happened to me a few times. It took me years to finally find a solution for my anhedonia, but I think I've finally found it, which is golden milk. This is my second time drinking golden milk. The first time that I drank it for 8 weeks straight. And when I first started drinking it, I went from having pretty much zero ability to taste food to after the 8 weeks, 2 days later, I was fully able to taste food again. Now, this time around drinking golden milk, it has officially been 9 weeks as of yesterday. So night number 64 was tonight. And in those 9 weeks, or those 64 days, I've noticed 5 different things that have started to heal. The first time around, I only noticed 1 thing that started to heal, and this time around, I've noticed 5. The first of the 5 things is when I started drinking the golden milk this time around, I was able to color pictures, but I would get extremely bored with it, and I wouldn't be able to do it for very long periods of time. Whereas since drinking the golden milk this time, I can now color pictures and I don't get bored with it, and I can sit there and do it for hours on end if I want to. The second thing I noticed is that my facial expression and my ability to express emotions is really starting to come back. The third thing I noticed is I'm actually starting to enjoy going to the beach and the park with my son. Now, the fourth thing that I noticed is I can now sing and play guitar without getting bored with it, and the want to do it and the motivation is there, and I'm just waiting for the enjoyment to come back. Now, as I said, that was with a combination of golden milk and behavioral activation. If you don't know what behavioral activation is, basically it's forcing yourself to do an activity or activities you would normally enjoy, forcing yourself to do it over and over and over again, until eventually the want and the motivation comes back, and then later on the enjoyment comes back. Now, the fifth thing that I noticed this time around, which is the most recent thing, I just noticed it over the last 3 or 4 days, is I can now do beadwork, like these bracelets for instance. I made these over the past couple of days. I'm able to do beadwork and sit there and do project after project after project, and I can literally sit there and do it for hours on end now. Whereas before, I would do a little bit and I'd have to set it down because I'd be really bored, and then I'd come back to it later and do a little bit. I'd only be able to do, like for instance, I'd be able to do like 2 rows of one of these bracelets at a time, and then I'd have to set it down and come back to it later. Whereas now, I can complete a whole project and more than one project at a time, and I'm not getting bored. And I'm really happy with the results from the golden milk. My journey with it has been absolutely incredible. So if you suffer from anhedonia and emotional blunting like myself, I would highly recommend golden milk. Or if you're somebody who just suffers from inflammation in general, I highly recommend it. Now, if you are interested in trying golden milk, be sure to do your research, because there are certain conditions and things that golden milk is really not good for. And then another thing I want to caution as well, if you're interested in drinking it, is be extremely careful with the turmeric, because it stains everything yellow and it's really hard to get it out. So try not to use it on a surface you don't want stained, or if you do, try to put something on the surface so that it won't get stained. The other thing I want to mention is I have been doing golden milk updates every 2 to 3 days. I'm not posting it on here. The reason why is because I don't want to clog up my channel with a whole bunch of golden milk and anhedonia updates and stuff like that. I definitely want to help people by doing those updates, but I don't want to clog up my how-to channel with that, because it's supposed to be how-to videos, and I want to stick to that as much as I can. But I am definitely going to do an update every so often, just to keep you guys informed with where I'm at in my journey with golden milk and anhedonia. But if you're interested in checking out some of my golden milk updates to see how things have been going for me over the last 9 weeks, you can certainly check that out on Facebook. My Facebook is under my name. It's Cayla Wood, Cayla Wood, and that part of my Facebook, the golden milk updates and stuff like that, is open to the public. So if you go on there, you can definitely find it. Now, one thing I will say though is I generally don't add people that I don't know as a friend, but you can certainly go and follow me if you're interested in doing that and you want to see these updates. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.